Hello all, welcome to Tech World, and today's topics are variables and data types. Variable in Java means it acts like a container that holds some value, whereas data type will tell you which type of data the variable can hold. And these variables are of three types. They are local, instance and static. So when coming to the local variables, you can declare these local variables within the method only, or you can pass like arguments inside the method, and you can use these variables inside the method only. You can't access these variables outside the method, and the memory will be allotted at the stack level in Java for these local variables. And next, instance variable. So when coming to the instance variable, you can declare these variables outside the method but inside the class. So to use these variables, you should create an object for that. So in Java, how can you create an object? By using a new keyword. And these variables will be stored in the heap level of Java. And next, coming to the static variable, you can declare these static variables inside the class, inside a method, inside any constructor, but by using a static keyword. You should give a static keyword before you initialize a variable. So at that time of creation, the memory will be allotted, and the memory will be allotted at the stack level. I am going to explain you through a program. So I have taken a class named variables. So here I am declaring one instance variable, that is A, of value 100. And I am going to declare a static variable, that is B, and the value is, let's say, 200. And a local variable, that means it should be inside a method. Let's take C and the value of 300. So I am going to print all these variables. So to print the instance variable, we need to create an object for it, right? How can we create? By using a new operator. So I'm going to create an object . And I am printing by using the object name called V. So V dot A gives you the instance variable value. And B is for static variable. And C is our local variable. I'm going to save the program and also I'm going to run it. So in the console, you can see the output like this. Okay. And let's jump into data types of Java. Data types are of two types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are Java-defined data types, whereas non-primitive are user-defined data types. You can declare or you can define these non-primitive data types by using a new keyword and by using constructor of the particular class. And the primitive data types are of two types. You can see here the Boolean and a numeric. Boolean is of Boolean type and numeric is again of two types. Those are character and integral. And the character will be of one type, that is char, and the integer are of four types. Those are byte, short, int and long. and the integral is also of float type. Those are float and double. These primitive data types are stored in the stack value of Java, whereas non-primitive data types will be stored in the heap memory of Java. Then why this differentiation means stack is fixed, means these primitive data types have fixed size, whereas non-primitive data types have no fixed size. That is why those are stored in the heap memory. So let's see the sizes of primitive data types. So you can have a note of these. If you have any doubts, please comment in the below. And for my next episode, I will be discussing about the stack and heap memory of Java. Keep watching. Signing off.